Hello everyone and welcome back to Get English Fit. My name is Jane and today we are looking at short answers using the verb to be. In lesson 4, we looked at the question, how are you? How are you is formed using the question word how with the question form of the verb to be. Are you? How are you? How are you? This question is an example of an open question. This is because I can respond with many different possible answers. Jane, how are you? Oh, I'm not very well. Or, Jane, how are you? Oh, I'm fine, thank you. So how are you is an open question. But when we use the verb to be with the short answer form, we are normally responding to a closed question. A closed question is a question where there are not many possible answers. Now we are going to look at the short answers using the verb to be. I will use them with yes and with no. And I would like it if you listen and repeat. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Good. Notice that I don't use a contracted form when I use a positive short answer. I don't say, yes, I'm. I say, yes, I am. In the negative, you can use the contracted form, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. But when it is a positive answer, you don't or you can't say, yes, I'm. You must say, yes, I am. With you cannot say, yes, you're. You must say, yes, you are. An example with he, not yes, he's. You must say, yes, he is. Yes, she is. Yes, it is. Yes, we are. Yes, you are. And yes, they are. Now let's look at some examples together before I give you some more practice. Am I English? Yes, I am. Am I French? No, I'm not. Are you a doctor? Yes, you are. Are you a teacher? No, you aren't. Is he tall? Yes, he is. Is he short? No, he isn't. Is she married? Yes, she is. Is she single? No, she isn't. Is it expensive? Yes, it is. Is it cheap? No, it isn't. Are we free tonight? Yes, we are. Are we free tomorrow? No, we aren't. Are you on holiday? Yes, you are. Are you at home? No, you aren't. Are they friends? Yes, they are. Are they colleagues? No, they aren't. Now let's practice. I will ask you some different questions and you must think of the correct answer. Are you okay? Is your bag black? Are you a doctor? Is the television expensive? Are your shoes new? Is your house big? Are your parents Spanish? Is your brother tall? Is it hot today? Is the car in the garage? Is the door open? Are you Italian? Are your hands clean? Is the shop closed? Are your colleagues nice? Is the pizza tasty? Are you subscribed to my channel? Yes, I am. Great. No, I'm not. Please subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you, everybody. Bye for now.